Taking a picture of Poppy.
Yep, I'm videotaping Poppy picking cherries off the tree.
And her picker look.
Yeah. No, I need to be fully covered up. That would be more picker-esque.
Yeah, but this is your own style.
Yeah.
Visalia's style.
This is a hillbilly style.
All right, cherry tree, looking good.
Not puny bugs.
Not a very good videographer. Turn this way and smile though, everybody, and then I'll stop recording.